Hey people, Gary here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets and ChatGPT. Maybe, might use ChatGPT, we don't know that yet. So anyway guys, the reason that we promote the $25 business is essentially because of this affiliate program, which is 80% recurring income. So even if you don't use this method to promote it, it's just the best product to promote right now. I don't see nothing. I have not found anything even close to those type of percentages when you as an affiliate marketer. All right guys, so if you guys are interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right, so first and foremost, what we're gonna do is look at our results. It looks like we did get a sale yesterday, but we're gonna just refresh the page just to make sure here. All right, it looks like we did get a sale yesterday, guys.
Nice.
It's fantastic news. It seems like it's trying to rev up a little bit there, doing good there. So yeah, it's starting to pick up, look like. As you know guys, I know this works. I have no idea how well it will work, but the emails I've been using seem to be working pretty well. So this is what we're gonna do. I want to help you guys do this if y'all interested in doing this. Now this is absolutely the easiest way I found to do this. There's a better ways to do it, but this is the easiest, simplest way to do this and make some extra money on the way. So first you want to get your links to this program, right? Now while I'm on this page, I might as well show you the link that I use. I like to use this link. There's a ton of products in this system. This is the one I promote. This is the one I'm getting the sales with, right guys? So first and foremost, you want to go to my description, open it up. It's gonna have step 1, step 2. You click on the step 1 link, it's gonna take you to this page here. And basically what this is a sales letter for the $25 business. Talks about what it is, what it does, how much money you make, so on and so forth. Essentially, if you're interested in the product itself, it is a funnel builder for $25 per month, which is actually a fantastic deal. If you built funnel builders before, you know that's a pretty good deal. Yeah, so it's actually a pretty good product. But the reason we're promoting it is essentially because it's affiliate program, which is 80% recurring income. You make most of the money here, guys, when you get a sale. You 80% of it. Fantastic. All right. So yeah, you can make up to $120 per month per customer, guys. $120 per month per customer. You get 10, 15 people to do that. And that's rent money for most places, you know. So yeah, man, that's fantastic. And now this is what we're gonna do though. We're gonna click on this, say yes, I want in, right? You click on that. It's gonna take you to this page, put in all your basic information, right? Hold up. You put in all your basic information, you scroll down, you click on complete order, get instant access. And one thing I want to mention, guys, is this product here, the $100 one that you can make is HBA Premium. What this is training on how to promote this on like Facebook, with Facebook ads, Facebook groups. It's constantly updated. So like when something new works, it gets added. Like for example, LinkedIn wasn't there at first. It's up there now because they found something that works on LinkedIn. So you see what I mean? So yeah, and yeah, you have an AI content creation machine as well to help you create posts, blogs, whatever. And yeah, it's working pretty well. And the coolest thing about this, guys, is that it'll act like you have this product, meaning that if you get a sale with this product, you keep that $100. Fantastic, man. So it's a really good way to get inspired to come in and be an affiliate marketer for this product, you know what I mean? So yeah, you just do all that, get the product, boom, right? So now let me show you. We need to promote the link. Once you click in this, it'll be a bunch of videos showing you exactly what to do next until you get to your links. And once you get to your links, you need to promote them, and this is the simplest way. Is My Lead Gen Secrets. So you go to my description. Once again, you're gonna see step 2. It's gonna say My Lead Gen Secrets. That's gonna take you to this page here. Now what my lead gen secrets is you get 100 leads per day. You can email once per day. So we're just gonna come in here. We're gonna go to the mailing system here like this. We're gonna click on select all, right? And we're gonna send out, okay? That I've written. So we're just gonna go back to my list here of the emails I've written. Just gonna scroll down, find the email that'll work. Third week on peak. Okay. I'm gonna just post this in like this. That's the title. Copy. Paste that in like that. Boom. Paste it. Alright, link in there like this. Very simple. Delete this. Blah blah blah. We're gonna capitalize some stuff here. Isolate it a little. Isolate. I forgot to bold that. All right, so yeah, that's pretty good. Looks pretty good. So we're just gonna click on perfect timing. That's gonna send an email around the time that people check their emails. And we're gonna click on preview. Now the reason we click on the preview, just look at the email and see if it looks good and see if the link works. Really, that the link work? Yes, it does work. All right, that's the email. All right, so email works. Now the next reason why I clicked on the preview is to give you guys a chance to copy and copy this email if you're interested in getting the emails that I use, that I made myself. These are the ones I've written myself, not necessarily ones ChatGPT has written. They seem to be working really well, so I'm thinking about sticking with them. And yeah, that's all it is, making money now, blah blah blah, whatever, right? So yeah, just copy it, pause the video, whatever you need to do to copy the whole email. All right, so all it is to that. We're gonna send an email and we are done, guys. That's all it takes. Very simple, very easy, and very quick. Now you guys, what I just showed you has been the easiest way to make money online. That's the easiest way I found personally. Now you want a more effective way to make money online, I think it's with shorts. Or if you want it to be free, at least it's with shorts. You post shorts on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Post them daily. Make sure to post at least once a day, a short with a link that goes towards the $25 business. Make a ton of money when something goes viral. All right, guys, that's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.